Ms. Rogers, are you the mother of Luke and Sam, the children who are the subject of this suit?
Yes.
And how old are Luke and Sam?
They're 14.
Okay, and I noticed from the dates of birth, they are twins, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And who is the father of both Luke and Sam?
Michael McKee.
Was Mr. McKee previously ordered to pay child support and medical support for Luke and Sam?
Yes, he is.
Has he always paid in full and on time?
No.
And Your Honor, I'd offer into evidence the Attorney General's pay record. It's an updated version of the copy that was attached to the pleading. I offer that as State's Exhibit number 1.
Ms. Rogers, do you have any objection to that exhibit coming in as evidence?
No.
And Mr. McKee, do you have any objection?
No.
State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Ms. Rogers, what kind of health insurance do Luke and Sam have right now?
Medicaid.
Okay. And Your Honor, I'll pass this witness right now subject to recall.
All right. Mr. McKee, do you have any questions of Ms. Rogers about what she just testified to?
No.
All right. Next witness.
Michael McKee.
Yes, sir.
Mr. McKee, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you provide in this matter will be the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand. You may proceed.
Mr. McKee.
The hearing began with Jamie Rogers confirming she is the mother of 14-year-old twins, Luke and Sam. The court established that Michael McKee is their father and reviewed his long-standing child support obligations. Records submitted by the Attorney General showed previous payment issues, while Rogers confirmed the children currently receive health insurance through Medicaid.
You're the father of Luke and Sam, is that correct?
That is correct.
And do you have any health insurance that you would rather put the children on?
No.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
I am self-employed. I do contract mechanic work.
All right, so you're a mechanic and you don't work for anybody else. You just do that on your own?
I do it on my own.
Okay. How much do you make as a self-employed mechanic?
I make $1,500 a month.
Are you a diesel mechanic or just a general automotive
Just
mechanic?
a general, I guess you would say. I mean, specialty is more diesel, but I do whatever.
Okay. And is that the only employment that you get paid for?
Yes.
And you said $1,500 a month?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any other children below the age of 18 besides the two that we're talking about here today?
I do.
And how many?
I have one that is older than Sam and Luke and one that is younger than Sam and Luke.
Okay, and those are both biological children, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'll pass the witness.
Ms. Rogers, do you have any questions of Mr. McKee about what he just testified to?
Yes. I know about Via, but what is the other child that he claims?
Is
Mr.
this where
McKee?
I answer or what?
Yes, sir.
Well, she should know the other child. It's the one that we fought in Amarillo forever.
Okay, what is the child's name?
Bradley Edwards.
All right, any other questions, Ms. Rogers?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. McKee, how old is Bradley?
Michael McKee then testified about his financial situation, explaining that he works as a self-employed contract mechanic earning approximately $1,500 each month. He also confirmed he has two other biological children, including one younger child and another older child named Bradley Edwards, for whom he is also under a court-ordered child support obligation.
I want to say probably 17.
And do you pay support on Bradley?
I'm supposed to, yes.
So you're court ordered to pay support.
Yes, and I've never seen that child.
Okay. All right. Anything further, Mr. Boonashay?
Yes, Your Honor, I'd like to recall Jamie Rogers.
Okay. May proceed.
Right. First, Ms. Rogers, I left this off when I was asking you questions earlier. It appears on your earlier order, although I don't see an explicit order of non-disclosure, that your address and phone number and your other contact information were withheld from the previous order. Did you want to have your contact information withheld from this order as well?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and is that because of some kind of discord or
Yes, it was because of just physical abuse and verbal abuse, just us fighting so much that I didn't want him to know my location.
Okay, so you're asking that order to continue?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you just heard Mr. McKee testify he makes a gross monthly income of $1,500 a month. Do you agree?
When recalled to testify, Jamie Rogers requested that her personal address and contact information remain confidential, describing past physical and verbal abuse as the reason. She challenged McKee's reported income, pointing to his expensive lifestyle, social media activity, and online listings showing him buying and selling costly farm equipment worth tens of thousands of dollars.
With that assessment,
No, I don't.
do you have any information as to that he could possibly be making more than $1,500 a month?
Yes, I do. I believe that there is, because of his ex-fiance has got a hold to me and told me what he brought in.
Okay, without
And the
going into
number-
what someone else has told you, because that would be hearsay, what
Okay.
other information do you have that you personally know that he's making
as-
more than $1,500?
As far as that, then just, his new pickup truck, the way he lives, and, everything else. I mean, from the videos that I've sent him from TikTok to different things, such as Facebook and Marketplace, it showed that he was buying and selling farm equipment.
Okay, what kind of farm equipment was he selling?
Strippers, just
Okay, I'm not
anything you
gonna-
can do with the farm, he was selling. Like
Okay,
the
I'm
semi,
not familiar with some of that equipment. So, how much does a cotton stripper cost?
probably around 70,000. Yeah,
Okay.
70 to 80,000. If not in that price range, it would be about 40 to 50,000. And then just your planters, your just anything with farming.
Okay, and how long ago was this that he was buying and selling this equipment?
Just a couple of months ago.
Okay, and what else have you seen as far as Mr. McKee's income?
I mean, that's it. Because as soon as I mentioned it to him, he blocked me from everything.
Okay, and you mentioned a pickup truck. What kind of pickup truck does Mr. McKee have?
As far as I know, I don't know the pickup, but I just know he got a new pickup truck. And
Rogers further questioned how McKee could afford a well-equipped pickup truck, multiple living arrangements, insurance, and other major expenses, while claiming to earn only $1,500 monthly. Although she admitted she had not personally seen pay stubs, she insisted that everything she observed suggested his financial situation was far better than he reported.
I can't say what somebody else said, but yeah. So I just don't see how he's only making $1,500 and making it.
So when you say a new pickup truck, you're talking like a 2026 model or
No,
something?
nothing like that. But it's a really nice. It's a nice pickup.
Okay.
He got a flatbed put on with all of his tools put in, and I mean it's a nice truck.
Okay. What about Mr. McKee's living situation? Does he live like someone who makes $1,500 a month?
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
He doesn't. as far as I know, he's in Graham, Texas, but then still has a trailer over in Lubbock, Texas. And my boys have told me, yeah, Dad's over there living. And one of them had said, because one went with him back in March of 25 and stayed one night with him, and told me that Dad said that he's paying $1,500 to have this. So I just don't understand how that's incorporated with everything, unless he was just lying to them or what he was telling them. I don't know.
Okay, so the Lubbock trailer itself cost $1,500?
Yes. So I don't really know if he's, I just don't think it's not adding up. Everything is not adding up with how much you make, how much you say you make, your rent, your bills, your truck, your insurance. How are you affording all that if you're only making $1,500 a month?
Okay. But have you ever seen like a pay stub or anything like that that would show how much Mr. McKee makes?
No, I have not. I've not seen a pay stub. I've only heard about what he had, and Chelsea herself told me she could send me pictures because she still had pictures of his pay stubs.
Okay.
But then again, that's hearsay.
Okay. All right. I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Mr. McKee, you have any questions of Ms. Rogers about what she just testified to?
No.
Okay, anything further, Mr. Bunishek?
No, Your Honor. State rests.
Mr. McKee, where were you working in 2019 when the prior order was?
After both sides completed their testimony, the judge reviewed McKee's employment history and noted that he had voluntarily left his previous position to become self-employed. The court considered whether there was sufficient evidence to justify modifying the existing child support order before delivering its final decision.
Issued.
I was employed at 4-H Farms there in Lubbock.
And what happened to that job?
I wanted to go out on my own.
Okay. All right. Anything further, Mr. Bunishek?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Anything further, Ms. Rogers?
No.
And Mr. McKee? Any other
No.
testimony? Okay.
No.
Okay. I am going to grant the child support judgment in the amount of $10,226.76 as of June 30th, 2026. I'm going to order Mr. McKee to pay $75 per month towards that judgment beginning August 1st, 2026. I'm going to grant a medical support judgment against Mr. McKee in the amount of $1,265 and order Mr. McKee to pay $25 per month towards that judgment beginning August 1st, 2026. I'm going to order the same amounts. Well, I'm going to order Ms. Rogers to maintain health insurance through a government health insurance program and order Mr. McKee to pay $50 cash medical beginning August 1st, 2026. Actually, I'm going to not approve the modification, so the child support and medical support will actually remain the same. And so the current support amount is $450.20. I did not find, due to the testimony and Mr. McKee stating that he left his prior employment, I don't think he would do that to make less. So I'm going to leave it the same. $450.20 and $50 on the cash medical, so the modification is denied. Court costs will be assessed against Mr. McKee to pay 1 year from today's date. and the non-disclosure as requested by Ms. Rogers is granted. Any party can ask for a new hearing on any of the issues I ruled on today by filing a trial de novo with the Crosby County District Clerk's Office within the next 3 days. It must be in writing. It must specify the portion of my ruling in which a new hearing is being requested, and notice must go out to all of the parties on the case. Mr. Bunashek will draft the order, submit it to me for review. Once I've signed it, copies will go out to each of you. I'm not showing that you're paying anything right now, Mr. McKee, and if you're not paying anything on your other child either, it might be a good idea to start sending in those payments. If you need information on how to send those payments in, because you don't have a traditional employer, even though they're not withholding it, they're still due. And so you can go back into a breakout room and Mr. Bunashek can visit with you about that, or you can send it in the way your court order told you to the state disbursement unit in San Antonio. And it doesn't matter if you send it in weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, it needs to be sent in, and something needs to be sent in every month. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, that concludes today's hearing. Anything else, Mr. Bunashek?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right.
The judge entered judgments for unpaid child and medical support, but ultimately denied the requested modification, keeping McKee's existing monthly child support at $450.20, along with $50 in cash medical support. Rogers' request for non-disclosure of her contact information was granted. Court costs were assessed against McKee, and both parties were informed of their right to request a new hearing within the required legal deadline.